Are you looking for a way to install STBEmu Pro APK on your Amazon Fire TV Stick in 2025? STBEmu Pro is one of the best apps for IPTV streaming on Fire TV, allowing you to use Stalker Portal for live TV access. Since the app is not available on the Amazon App Store, you'll need to sideload it. In this guide, I'll show you how to install STBEmu Pro APK on Fire TV Stick using Downloader. Before we begin, ensure you have an Amazon Fire TV Stick or Fire TV Cube, the Downloader app installed, an internet connection, and the STBEmu Pro APK latest version for 2025. Amazon Fire TV blocks third-party apps by default. Follow these steps to allow installations. Go to Settings on your Fire TV, select My Fire TV, click Developer Options, turn on apps from unknown sources, and also enable ADB debugging. If you haven't installed the Downloader app, open the Amazon App Store on Fire TV, search for Downloader by AFTV News, and click Download to install the app. Now to download STBEmu Pro APK on Fire TV Stick, open the Downloader app. In the URL bar, enter 974430, click Go, and wait for the APK file to download. After the download completes, click Install. Once installed, click Done or Open to launch immediately, and delete the APK file to save storage. To configure STBEmu Pro for IPTV, open STBEmu Pro from the Apps menu. Click on the menu button and select Settings. Go to Profiles. Click New Profile. Enter your IPTV Stalker Portal URL from your IPTV provider. Go to STB Configuration. Set your MAC address if required. Save the settings and restart the app. Enjoy streaming live TV on STBEmu Pro.